Reeling you back in, Cody.
Oh crap.
Oh god!
I just watched that in my rearview mirror.
Help!
Are you upside down?
Yeah, I literally flipped myself over. Where are you at? Still driving? No. Oh, what?
No. Oh, what? How did you flip back over?
Magic.
Wait. Is there like a thing in the GHS menu?
I don't know, I just flipped over. I just turned my wheel to the right.
Whoa.
Oh. Alright, now I'm actually stuck.
Where you at? Oh.
Uh-huh.
Oh. Huh.
Oh shit! Your car's okay? Oh, my car's kind of broken.
I'm on God mode. Well, yeah, just go into,
No, it turns mine into God mode as well, but...
Well, no, that's only if you're in it. Maybe you can, like, scroll and repair. Oh, yeah, service.
Yeah. God, this car is dangerous. Alright, go!
Oh! That was looking down.
Oh god! You did that on purpose!
Well, of course.
Don't worry, I'll get you on the apex. I'll reel your ass in.
And these are fast cars. Oh, that's a turn. I like how all these cars drive.
What?
All these cars drive.
What we gotta do is have, like, James play with us, too. No?
Oh. Oh. That was not okay. I see you in my... Whoa. Man, first person is just so strange to play on.
So strange.
Yeah, because these cars, they move so much laterally, like they tilt and roll so much.
Yeah,
I know, it's awesome, but I'm not used to it.
Oh god, my screen kinda twitched on me, and I crashed. Alright, Agios is a straight, so I'm gonna reel you in here.
I'm already past Agios. I almost flipped it around that corner.
I brought a map. Even though half the time it's not worth using.
Like a GPS or something?
Yeah.
Probably not too fast anyway.
Oh, for the turning, it's perfect. Oh gosh. At a certain speed, your car just goes, nope.
Yeah, no turning. Or when you turn, you have to turn so hard that your car eventually just control anyways. Oh, I see you at that last corner.
Bring it on the hammer!
What's your speed right now?
220, 230.
Oh Jesus, mine's only 219. Oh, that's not on the road. Whoa.
How fast are you in? 219?
219, yeah.
Oh god! Oh god!
I just look back and you're spinning.
Hell.
Are you fine?
Oh god, I wish I... Now have you done it? Bought a new one. You're in the way.
Remember trick on them.
Oh god.
Are you hurt?
No.
I thought when we were doing it, I heard
Oh shit. And I could fit. Oh god. Yeah.
Whoa. I'm upside down.
Stay in the car. Look my way. Woohoo!
Where are you coming from? Oh, Jesus. That way. It's like anything above 120, you can't turn.
Come on, Challenger. Oh god. Oh god. Really? Power.
You're not a challenger, you're a super beat.
Oh. Or Charger.
Well then.
Flip?
I slipped off the road and freaking hit one of the walls. One of those little
Stone walls?
Stone walls.
Right when you say that, I do that same thing. See my rearview mirror, so that's a good sign.
Until the front wheels are barely on the road.
I'm looking at my rearview mirror, I see you, but it kind of looks like you're sticking your hand out holding the gun into the way. Oh, piece of shit. Oh god.
Did I land on my feet? Yes, I did. I don't know if I'm going the right way though.
Really?
Did you roll too?
No, I kind of swerved like I braked super hard. So like, oh motherfucker!
The others don't have handbrakes. Oh, Jesus.
Oh god! Reminds me of the Nintendo 64 game Destruction Derby.
Yes, I love that game. I just played it not too long ago.
I don't know, I was sitting on the toilet, I was like, wait a minute, I love that game.
I brought my Nintendo 64 over to Cole's house last time I was there and we played that.
Oh god damn it. You little bastard, I saw that.
Door wasn't me. Oh.
Oh shit! Oh.
Oh my god, 90-degree corner. Are you upside down or what?
No. Where are you at?
Wait. Did you go around that really sharp corner?
Yeah.
Oh. I was waiting there at the sharp corner for you. I think so you're way ahead of me now. You're already through the town, right?
Yeah.
Ow.
Oh, what the hell? Did I do a flip?
Yeah, you did like 3.
Oh god. Oh, I'm so glad this has the... Oh god!
Whoa.
I can see you just bobbing and weaving.
Oh. Caught some traction there. Oh. Did that affect you? Oh, that's crap. Crap, I'm upside down.
Yeah, you have new drivers to find the video.
Where are you at?
I see you. Oh, damn, that crashed. I'm gonna do this in third person. Just scientific reason. About like 50 FPS. Where are you at?
Off the side of the road. Well, now I'm on the road.
Ah! want to crash into you, but I swerved right at the end. I really want to see those flips that I did. Damn, you're just bobbing and weaving.
Control. Oh.
Oh, I took damage there. Oh god, that sound! Are you doing that on purpose, the weaving?
No, not control. Ow. It sounds like a whale.
Can't swim without my whale songs. Oh, I can't see. Oh. Are you behind me? I can't tell.
Kind of behind you. Oh crap, I'm upside down.
No! No! I can do it, no!
You're probably way faster than me.
Oh god! Help, I have fallen and I can't get up. Oh, you just put a bunch of pedestrians on the road?
Oh yeah, that's the finish line. It's like Cruising USA for the Nintendo 64.
Oh, motherfucker!
Whale music.
I just hear it say area clear. Get back in.
Standing by.
Oh, bullshit.
My dad's friend has one of these cars that I'm driving right here, and it's like this exact color. I'll try running that over. Oh, what?
Yes! Drive like that, bitch!
Wait. See if I can ride them. Cars aren't heavy enough for anti-tank. Oh, Jesus, I couldn't even see you.
Don't worry, I have Geico. Doing a night. Let's go play some.
Huh?
Dead?
Man, I don't know how I got out of that. Man, that was crazy. That was a craziness.
I like how the mind that I voiced. Blast cannon.